In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stages in Freshsales, a powerful CRM tool designed to streamline your sales processes. This quick and easy tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to customize your sales pipeline stages, helping you better track and manage your deals. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Freshsales website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner. You'll see a login button. Click on it and proceed by entering your email address. Once you've done that, continue with the sign-in process so you can access your account. After logging in, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll find a panel with different options. Here, you'll need to look for the admin settings. Click on that, which will lead you to the central hub for all your customization needs within the platform. As you're exploring the admin settings, you'll see an option labeled Deals and Pipelines. Clicking on this will direct you to the configuration area where you can manage various aspects of your pipeline. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's where you'll spend most of your time customizing your sales flow. Next, in the Deals and Pipelines section, you'll find another option indicated as Pipelines. Clicking on this will bring you into the detailed view of your current sales pipelines. Here, you can manage how your sales are funneled, ensuring that every deal is accounted for at each stage of the process. Once you're viewing your pipelines, you should see a list of your existing ones. Select the pipeline that you want to customize. Beside it, there's an icon resembling a pencil or an edit button. Click on it to start editing the pipeline's details. This is an essential step as it allows you to tailor each pipeline according to your specific sales strategy. Within the editing view, you should see an option to Add Deal Stage. Clicking on this button will enable you to create a new stage for your sales process. This is where you can bring your personal strategy into play by defining unique stages suited to your business model. After you click Add Deal Stage, a field will appear, prompting you to type in your new deal stage name. Be descriptive and clear so all users can easily understand the purpose of each stage. For example, use names like Initial Contact or Negotiation to convey the nature of the stage. Finally, once you're satisfied with your new deal, stage names and arrangements, go ahead and click on the Save button. This step ensures that all your custom changes are stored and reflected in your sales workflow. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully created new stages within your Freshsales pipeline, enhancing your ability to track and optimize your sales journey. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you make the most out of Freshsales.